Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer, because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17-20, okay? So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17-20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams, that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist, okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2-3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3-4 thousand watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you wanna know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, so let's start the review for this AI visibility system. So let's get to the sales page where it says, don't miss the new AI traffic gold rush. Start getting traffic for free from ChatGPT, Google AI, Claude, and more before this opportunity passes you by. Discover the simple system that makes AI recognizes you and recommend you and send you free traffic even if you're starting from scratch. Now, let me show you practically what does this mean, because nowadays when you search something on Google, then you don't see websites at the top. You see, the answer suggested by the AI. So let me show you the practical how this works. If I come to Google and let's say you type in how to sell on Warrior Plus, you can type in anything, okay? So if I just type that in and then hit enter, and then this is what AI is. It shows you AI overview, and this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer being picked up from one of these websites. You could see here, I guess it is picked up from this Warrior Plus website. Okay, so this website has the article, but the AI is recommending the features of the article in this overview section. Okay, now when we come back to this course, I think it's an info product. You will learn something how to optimize your content as per the AI. Okay, so let's come back and check more here. So he's the guy who is behind this product. And so you can come and check out all the information on the sales page. You may or may not find the link below my YouTube video. If my links are approved, I will leave the link of this product below my video. You can go and buy using my link, and you can get that bonus of free email autoresponder as well just below my YouTube video, whether you buy, whether you don't buy. Okay, now let's cut the story short. Let's talk about reality versus fantasy. Okay, reality is that there's no guarantee that you will rank in Google. Okay, what this AI is doing, AI is pulling up this content from these top 10 websites showing up here. Okay, AI is not showing this information from the website which is ranking somewhere on the 100th position. Are you getting my point? So first of all, your website is supposed to be ranking on the first page in top 10 anyway. Okay, so if your website don't rank anywhere in the top 10 here, then this feature of AI is useless. So first your website has to rank in the top 10, and then only AI can decide if it, which website it wants to choose the content from number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, from which. But ultimately, first of all, your website needs to be here already. And if you're just, if you're starting a new website, then you are just paying the money to see dreams. Watching dreams in your sleep is absolutely free. There's no money to pay for that. Okay, so you will buy this and then you will get information. Yes, you will just go and read everything, I guess, how to do this, how to optimize your content for the AI, this and that, this and that, this and that. Will you make money? Absolutely not. I hate people recommending that you can get traffic from websites these days. It's not true. Okay, for example, if I am making this YouTube video and I also go and make this review on my website, what do you think, which option has the more chances to get eyeballs? If I make a YouTube video, I'll get maybe 1 to 5, 10 views within 24 hours. But if I publish the review in text on my website, nobody's gonna come and find my website. Do you understand the power of video? So somebody starting a website for getting traffic can be the biggest waste of time in this era. Okay, those are the times gone when 25 years ago Neil Patel would spam a website or start a website and he will become some SEO genius. Okay, those days are gone. 25 years ago, you can buy a domain and have a keyword in the domain and you can spam Google and Google will rank you anywhere. Now everything is cleaned up. So now, don't waste your time in starting a website just for the traffic, purpose. You can have your website for your brand, just like I have my website just to showcase my company and my business. Okay, but I don't rely on getting traffic. If I have to get traffic, YouTube is my free traffic source. Okay. Anyway, so if you want to just get some information, then you can go and buy this. You may or may not find a link below my video. But if you think you will make money with this, absolutely not. Will you get any traffic with this? Absolutely not. I have to be honest with my audience. Okay. Anyways, so I guess that's it. And before that, we have some OTOs. So here are the OTOs. You can buy the front end in $19, I guess. And then this is your front end, $19. You can read everything here. This is bump or jump, I don't care. OTO 1 is this. Pause the video, read everything. OTO 2 is this, wherever it is. $397. They want $397 from you. OTO 2 is downsell. Then come on, guys. All right. So my job is to do the review only, which I'm doing. And in the beginning of the video, I have given you real methods which makes real money, at least for me. Okay, I make YouTube videos, I make real money. I do trading, I make real money. And I send emails and I make real money. Okay, if I be honest, the methods which I explained to you in the beginning, those are the methods which I have been using to make money online since last 4 or 5 years. And these things on the internet will come and go. I don't take any guarantees. Okay, if you are serious about it, if you're serious about making money online, go and watch my 6 minutes of the video in the beginning and then decide which one would you like to go ahead with. Till then, subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.